So we have talked about how the food that we intake um, help or go against us on our symptoms, shows if a food is good for us or not. But also we need to understand that emotions sometimes drive our food choices. And it's also communication from the inside, but also outside of our biology. So these slides here um, talks about the food as nutrition, but also the food as communication, as information. Food is information. It's always telling us something. It tells you a story about how you feel, how what we're craving emotionally, and even what's happening in our nervous system. So, for example, have you ever reached for crisps, chocolates, or pastry when you're feeling bored or sad or stressed or even happy? Sometimes we're happy and we treat ourselves, and it's just maybe not hunger, it's a treat, it's something that we do emotionally. So we eat with our emotions, with our habits, and we also eat with our stomachs when we're hungry. In moments of disconnection or loneliness, we reach for different comfort foods, not because we are physically hungry, but because we are trying to soothe or distract ourselves. So this can create a cycle of food becoming a coping mechanism and like a soft blanket, something that offers short-term comfort, but often followed by guilt and shame. Because when we give in to our triggers, there is always a feeling of not feeling good with ourselves at the end. But it's also with addictive behaviors. It's the same process. So we sit at the TV for hours or we drink alcohol, and any addictive behavior is trying to tell us something. And the question is, are we listening? Yeah. So as we mentioned on the slide about the tree analogy, um, the relationship and the communication, it goes deeper than that. And our gut and brain and in constant communication and conversation, around 90% of serotonin is made in our gut. Serotonin is our feel-good hormone. And when our health is off, our gut is not healthy, it can affect the production of serotonin, which in turn affects our mood, increase anxiety, and actually drive more cravings. The cravings drive more negative emotions of ourselves, feeds into the wrong beliefs, and the cycles repeat.